Good morning, guys. Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and we are live at our open house. What I wanted to do is I wanted to come to you guys since we're doing live installations and customers are waiting lined up. They got their Camaros here for us to do the installs on their intake systems. Roto-Fab was gracious enough to say, let's do this, let's plan it. I got this car coming in right now, and what I wanted to come and show you guys is I wanted to show you how easy an intake install can be. So, what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to get this car installed. I got to pull it in right here. So I got Jason driving the car. He's going to pull it in. We're going to go ahead and do this live installation just to show you guys how easy a Roto-Fab system can be installed on your car. Now this is an SS, so he is getting the dry filter, sound to delete. So there are a few things that we do have to take off. Some things we're going to replace, but it's very easy, very simple. Okay, so this is one feature, and we wanted to just show you guys live. Go ahead and chime in. I do have my guy watching the camera, or watching the live feed. So if you guys have any questions, we'll do our best to answer them. Like I said, we are going to get this car in here. We're going to get rocking on it. So hang tight, and you'll see exactly how fast we can do this. All right, guys, so quick tip. What we did is we went ahead and kind of put the box together just to kind of speed up the process a little bit. Since this car is hot, we want to kind of keep our hands from getting too burned. But if your engine is cooled off, obviously you can take your time doing all this stuff together. But this box is going to go right into the factory location, no issues, 100% fits perfectly. So once Jason's kind of done removing that sound tube, we'll go ahead and get this on, and we'll be halfway done at that point. guys, keep in mind, anytime you take this factory box off on really kind of any intake, you want to make sure that the grommets are still in place if it's a factory grommet, especially on a Roto-Fab system, because they reuse these items. So it goes right back into the factory location, no questions asked. But don't forget those grommets. Very important.
Guys, another thing to do is whenever you're putting this box in, you want to make sure it slides back into the factory inlet for the air. And if you're doing a tube delete, this is going to be the plate that you're going to use to block off the hole where we took the sound tube to this pipe out.
So what I'm doing here is I'm forgetting the clamp. So what I gotta do is I gotta take the clamp apart, now put it back together. Not a big deal, makes it easy. Like a self-note, don't forget the clamp. right, guys, that's it. Intake's installed. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire the car up, make sure we don't get no check engine light. Never had a problem with Roto-Fab doing it. Always want to double check though. So, got it fired up. We're good on the check engine light, so that way we are done with this intake. 100% installed, and you guys can see probably just a couple of minutes being live here with you. Now, we did do a little bit of prep work, but still the intake, give yourself about 10 more minutes for that prep work, and it'll be easily installed, no problems. So there we go, we're good. Finished up this car, now it's on to the next one. So before we go, I want to let you guys know, we've got our open house going on right now. Also, Roto-Fab, this weekend only, since they're in town and it's our open house, we are doing 10% off. So if you guys are looking for a Roto-Fab intake, go to the website right now. They're 10% off using the code. Go to that discount code page and it will be right there for you guys. So I want to thank you for joining us. We're going to continue getting these intakes installed. We got a couple more lined up. I see more Camaros showing up.